Hello again, welcome. And today for our lesson, we will talk about the VM sizing, resize the virtual machine that we have. For example, we want to increase the RAMs or the CPUs. We will just go to our virtual machine. In our demo, we have one virtual machine called VM1. We will click on it. And as we can see here, all the details of our virtual machine status is running, and the operating system is Windows. So again, the status is stop delocated. We need to turn the VM on. We had just to wait for the status to be updated. And we can see the size is standard D2 SV3 with 2 vCPUs, virtual CPUs with 8 GB RAM memory, and it has a public IP. As we can see, the VM is starting now. It started already, successfully started VM1. We just hit refresh, and we can see the status is running. As we mentioned, the VM had a public IP, and we can use it to connect through RDP from local machine. And the location is West US, the nearest region to us. Now we will check the settings of our virtual machine. So under the settings, we will just search for size, and we will hit on size. And as we can see, by clicking on size, we can see all the available flavors of the sizes that is recommended or used by users, and we can see also the filter by monthly or hourly, the display cost, which is most important for us, and the virtual CPUs. We can filter by all or specifically the number what we need for the RAM as well. For example, here I want to choose 8, for example, or I can go with custom and choose between 16 and 32, for example, and click OK, and I can see the available options for me for RAM. For example, if I want to choose all or 16 or custom as well, it will show me what is the available for me. I will just modify the CPUs here. We can see we have the F series V2, which it is supported, the premium disk. The cost will be around 578 US dollar, which is a bit expensive for monthly rate. I will just do a custom CPU, or I can choose from the list what I have, 8 for example. For the RAM, I will put a custom between 16 and 32 gigabit RAM, and I will hit OK, and I will see the available option for me, and I can use what's that's suitable for me based on the application workload that I'm going to work on it. For example, here I have the D series V5, and by clicking on resize, I can just upgrade my current size to this D series V5. Once I hit resize, it will take a couple of seconds. I will not do the resizing, but it will change the size here. It will show us the new upgraded size of our VM. And here we have the articles that we followed today for our demonstration. I will keep the links in the description. Here we can see change the size of the virtual machine. It will show you all the details that we discussed through the portal. It will show it applies to Linux virtual machine, Windows virtual machine, flexible scale set, and you can see all the details what we mentioned. It's already here. And we can change also the size through CLI or PowerShell by hitting this command. We will just copy and paste it in the portal. We will do another a video for that, how to create resources using Azure PowerShell commands or CLI, okay, by copying and pasting the right Azure PowerShell. So what we did here, we did it through the portal. We followed these steps, and we can see the limitation. We have some limitation in the resizing of the virtual machine. And this article also will talk about the size of virtual machines in Azure, the multiple sizes that it's also applied for Linux and Windows virtual machines. We can see the type, size, and the description on each one. What is the family size, what is the type, and the description on each one. As we can see here, the general purpose and what it's included, what the flavors it's available, and the description on it. And we can see the compute optimize, the F series, and memory optimize, the ES series, storage optimize, LSV 2, 3, and LA SG3 series. It will give you like the recommended which type of series you need to use for each sizing of your virtual machine. And I will keep the links in the description for more info. Thank you, everyone.